Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 18th question in exercise 5.2. The sum of the fourth and the eighth terms of an AP is 24. The sum of sixth and 10th terms is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. So now let us note the given data in this notation. They said that the sum of the fourth and the eighth term, so I'm writing it as A4 and A8 is equal to 24. And they said the sum of sixth and the 10th term, so A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Now let's expand this notation. So we know A4 is nothing but A plus 3D and A8 is A plus 7D is equal to 24. So let's combine 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Since it's a multiple of 2, so I'm going to simplify this and write A plus 5D is equal to 12. I'm dividing everywhere by 2. So now let's mark this as the first equation. So A plus 5D is equal to 12. Now let's do it for this particular equation. A6 is A plus 5D plus A10 is A plus 9D is equal to 44. So 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Again divide by 2 so that numbers are smaller. So A plus 7D is equal to 22. Now let's note that here. So A plus 7D is equal to 22. If I mark this as the first equation and second equation, I'm going to subtract the second from the first. So what happens? A minus A, this will vanish. Now I'm going to change the sign which I've done. So 5D minus 7D, this is equal to minus 2D. 12 minus 22 is minus 10. So minus 2D is equal to minus 10. So D is equal to 5. Now that we have got the value of D, let's substitute this in one of the equation. So I am picking the first one mainly because it looks even more easier to solve. So A plus 5 into 5 is 25 is equal to 12. So A plus 25 is 12. So A is equal to 12 minus 25. So A is equal to minus 13. Now that we have got the A term and the D terms, let's generate the first three terms of the AP. That was the question asked to us. So let us generate the first three terms. The first term is minus 13. I have to add 5 to it. So it gives me a minus 8. Add another 5 to it. So now I'm going to get a minus 3. They did not ask anything more than that. So you can write minus 13, minus 8, minus 3 are the first three terms of the AP. If they asked you otherwise, find the AP, you will put comma dot dot dot. Here they were very specific about only the three terms, so close the statement like this. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 19th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.